Welcome to Disaster Zone, the place where unexpected and breathtaking moments caught on camera come to life. Today, we're diving into bizarre and sometimes shocking animal collision incidents, moments where just 1 second of distraction can change everything. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Train collisions with animals, especially wildlife, occur in many countries and have a negative impact on the populations of these species. For instance, in Sri Lanka, train collisions with wild elephants have increased, resulting in the deaths of 7 elephants this year and 24 elephants last year. Collisions between trains and cattle can result in tragic incidents and cause both human and financial losses. These accidents not only lead to the death of animals, but also to reduce these accidents, measures such as installing fences around railway tracks, creating safe crossings for animals, and using warning technologies can be effective.
Oh my God.
In areas where wildlife crossing signs are installed, drive at the speed limit and with extra caution. Oh my God, the poor deer collided badly with this bus. It's really heartbreaking. In such places, there should definitely be air fences installed to prevent animals from entering the roads. Another tragic accident. The poor deer, oh no. A stubborn horse that refuses to move off the track. The train is rapidly approaching, and this young boy, like a hero, tries to protect the horse. Fortunately, the train wasn't moving too fast and stopped just in time. Oh, the elephant is really angry and lifts the visitor's car like it's a tiny snack. Wow. Oh my God, another shocking accident. Creating dedicated animal crossing paths in areas with heavy traffic could help reduce these shocking incidents.
Oh no, those poor cows. The car seems to have lost its brakes and won't stop, leading to this tragic loss of life and damage.
Oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God. Holy
Animals also have the right to be safe on the roads. With preventive measures and greater awareness, we can help prevent shocking accidents. If you're interested in these topics, make sure to subscribe to our channel so we can stay with you and make the world of roads safer.